I have opened my data table and my graph for the activity, how much is a tweet worth. And I'm going to also have open at the same time a blank page in Microsoft Word. So I'm going to flip back and forth between the two. First of all, I'm going to highlight my data table. And notice that I have an option here to copy. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Copy it and go to Word and paste. And notice if I click on this is a table. So now that you know how to work with tables, you can go in and you can change this or modify this table in any way you want to make it stand out, look a little bit better. I'm going to go back to Excel. I'm going to do the same with the table. So if I just click on the edge here of the table, I get a copy. And I'm going to paste it also into my Word document. And why would you want to do something like this? Well, that's a great question. I would certainly want to do this if I had a lab, maybe that I was doing in a science class, or some information that I was trying to assemble for social studies. And I would then be able to write a really nice paragraph explaining the data that I collected and what the graph is telling me.